in Kisii.
I think it's no longer no longer the county secretary of
Kisii
County.
Okay.
I think that is why they appointed an acting secretary.
Sawa. Where is the acting county secretary? You are here. Mr. Bonuka, maybe you can give room for the two to just come over.
Yes. I don't know if I could address you.
Yes.
Yes. I just wanted to confirm your WhatsApp yesterday.
Yes.
At 5:23 a.m.
AM?
Yes.
Yesterday?
Yes,
Oh, that was via WhatsApp? By email.
Yes. So that we really tried our best to put in a holding response.
Yes.
Which we are still in the process of formally finding.
Yes.
And even serving all the other parties.
Yes.
So that in the circumstances, my prayer for today, since we are coming for elections,
yes,
I will be praying that we be given 14 days.
So your application is dated, Mr. Maeche?
Yes, the application is dated 3rd March 2024 for adoption.
Now, ladies and gentlemen, you can just have a seat, Mr. Oginga. First of all, I want to thank all of you, all the parties in this case, including Your Excellency, because this matter, this petition, when this constitutional petition was brought to court, you all agree with me, there were ugly scenes at Keroka. And Mr. Bosota is on record as having told the court when all of you are putting in, when you are highlighting the written submissions, that ever since the matter was brought to court, there has been peace at Keroka. Am I right, Mr. Bosota? Yes, that those people who are fighting there downed their stones and every other tool to give peace a chance. I'm also glad that Your Excellency, Honorable See H.E Arati, the governor for Kisii, you found time to come to court in response to the court orders, meaning that you are ready to abide by the orders of the court and that you respect the court as a citizen of Kenya. And that's what is expected of all of us, and particularly for those of us who are state officers. And that's commendable of you. When I was delivering the judgment, your advocates told me that you are not available. Your counterpart here attended court that day. An apology was given on your behalf. And as a sign of good gesture and the fact that the two counties are ready to work together and ensure that there is service delivery to the Abagusi community that occupies the two counties. After this, can we make a courtesy call to His Excellency, the Governor of Nyamira? I hope he's available, Mr. Nyambane. If he's not in office, get him from wherever he is. Let the two of them have a cup of tea. Hostility in this region will not help anybody. At all. If I had powers, unfortunately, and thank God that I don't have it, I would merge the two counties so that we do not have a boundary dispute at all. But would you be happy if I merge the two counties, Your Excellency? Unfortunately for you, I do not have the powers. Secondly, I also need to tell you, no amount of votes is equal to the life of one Kisii or any other community at Keroka. If anything were to happen and the two counties are on fire, Your Excellency and myself, and the likes of Mr. Morara, and Mr. Maeche, Ms. Bundi, Mr. Oginga, we can all afford a chopper out of this place, correct? But the businessmen at Keroka will either die fighting there or die running away. These are the people we are supposed to serve. And when I was stationed here by her ladyship, the Chief Justice of Kenya, had taken oath to make sure that the Constitution of Kenya is preserved, protected, and implemented. Your Excellency, you took a similar oath. Your advocates also took a similar oath. And now we've got to allow the people of Keroka do business uninterruptedly. And in the judgment, I allowed you, gentlemen, the two of you, with your able counsel and officers, to look at the service agreement, service delivery agreement that had been done. Was it Mr. Bonuke in which year? 2013 or 2015? 2014.